Okay, so the project is about online pizza delivery system. So this is the main page. The menu items are shown over here. The user can go through each and every category like this, as well as through this drop down menu. Different categories are available like burger, pizza, beverages, etc. The user can toggle through these categories even without logging in. So, but like for the orders and contact us, the user has to log in. So, like if the user wants to submit anything, he won't be able to submit it without logging in. So, let me first sign up first. So, suppose if I'm giving like any user to ABCD, if I'm entering like wrong email and wrong phone number and password and re-enter password are not matching, so one by one I will show the validation. Like for the email, at the rate should be included. So if I'm including at the rate, and for the phone number it will show that we should match the requested format, that is the 10-digit format. So I have to enter the 10-digit format, and the passwords are also not matching, so it will show that the password do not match, error. So I have to enter the correct password. Like if I'm entering A, B, C, D, E. Now they both match. So now I will be able to sign up. So once the sign up is done, the user has to log in. So now the user has logged in. Now the user can order the pizzas, like he or she has to add to the cart for ordering the pizza. So like as and when I click on add to the cart, the items will get incremented over here. So these are the item names which I have added to the cart. So I can remove as well. So if I remove this, so it will be decremented to 3, and I can also increase the quantity. Like if I want to increase it to 2. Now I will enter the address for ordering it, and if I enter the wrong password, it won't let me order. So I have to enter the correct password. The details will remain intact, I just have to enter the correct password. So my order is placed with order ID is 8. Now let me go through the databases that are involved in this project. So the categories, this is one of the table that has all the categories of pizzas which are displayed over here. And the details of this are displayed using this code. Like we have first connected using the dbconnect.php file. This establishes the connection with the database. Now if I want to display all the categories, this will be the query for that, and each and every row will be fetched through this loop and it will be displayed. So this is the code for the same. Now the contact table, it has the user whoever has contacted to the admin, the all the details, the string that will be showed over here. The order ID, it is if the query is related to a particular order, the order ID will be mentioned, like whatever the user has entered. The contact reply is, this is the table which belongs to the admin, like whatever the query has been posted by the user, whatever the reply is uh, like the admin gives back, that will be stored in this table. The delivery details are over here. The order items, whichever like whatever the pizza has been ordered by the user, all that details will be stored, like the quantity, the pizza ID, order ID, etc. And this is the orders. The orders is the user, the details of the users and the address, the zip code, phone number, everything will be stored in this table. This table is basically about the different pizzas that we have displayed over here. All that has been stored in this table. And this is the site detail, the detail which is present in the contact us page, and the users. For the admin, the user type will be 1. Only that user will be able to access the admin portal. The other users will have to, for that, for them the user type will be 0. And this is the view card table. The view card will be every items which are added to the card will be displayed over here. So this is the short description about all the tables that are present in our project. Now I will show the code for the sign up. So this is the code for the sign up. Like the validation we have done over here, the if the passwords do not match, the alert message will be shown. So this is the validation for the same. Other than that, one of the key thing is that the it should be digits, so that for the phone number we have entered that validation over here. And also that the password should be minimum length 4. So if I enter 123, it will give me error, and the maximum length can be 21. So this is the code for the sign up. And once the sign up is done, the handling of sign up is done here. Like if the username already exists, then it will show that error and the sign up won't be done. And this is done by connecting with the database, as I have mentioned earlier, using dbconnect.php. And if we want to check whether that username already exists, we will extract it from the users table, and we'll check that whether that username has already been taken. That code is over here. Now I will show the login page. This is the login page, and the username and password are entered, and once entered it will post to handle login.php. This handles all the further authentication, like that username must be present in the table. So that SQL query is written, and that authentication is done over here. Like the password should verify, and the password in this table is stored in an encrypted format like this. So this is the basic sign up and login functionality that we have performed. Now I will show the contact us functionality. Like suppose if I want to like whatever I have ordered, I want to post some dissatisfaction, or even if I want to provide any feedback, I can provide like the pizza was not good. And if I don't enter the password, it will first if I enter the incorrect password, then I won't be able to like post the query. So I have to enter the correct password. So once that is done, so that query is posted, and in the admin page that query will be shown. Like this is to, the date and timestamp will be also shown to the admin. So if the admin like replies like okay, and if I reply it, then that user will be able to see from here. So that reply message is visible to the user from here. So the code for the same is over here, contact.php. This is the code. Like we are connecting the navigation.php, the nav. These are the partial files. These are nothing but the small sub functionalities that are in our project, which are to be incorporated in each and every web page of our application. So partials underscore nav.php is the navigation bar that has to be included. So that file has been included over here, and the phone number, password, and every details has to be entered by the user. And so this is the code. Now this is the SQL query. Like the admin has replied, and we want to fetch that reply from the admin to the user. So that is the SQL query, like the contact reply table. From there, the query which is pertaining to that user ID will be fetched. So like the current user ID is 5, so that reply will be fetched and it will be displayed. So that is shown over here. So that's it. That is the contact us functionality. Now my friends will be explaining the placing the order and making the payment functionality, as well as the admin portal, which is shown over here. So that will be explained further in this video.
My name is Divya Chulera, roll number 20 BC066, and here I am going to explain cart module and order module in perspective of user and admin both, and also going to explain SQL schemas. So firstly, this is the homepage of our website. Here you can see that I have not logged in yet, and because of that, I cannot place order. So for placing an order, I must have to be user must have to be logged in. So here I am logging in. Uh, as you can see, I have logged in, and my profile is being viewed here. Uh, this is the home page, and here I can add to cart, and the changes are reflected in the cart. As you can see, the changes are being reflected in the cart. From here, I can also remove any item or add quantity to the item, and all the reflectives are changed in the order summary too. The price has been changed dynamically, and also I can decrease the order item. And if I log out and log in again with the same credentials, uh, you'll able to see the my cart value is not been is still there. And from here I can do go to checkout and add my address. If the user enters the wrong password, you can see that it will get an error. So for placing an order, it should add correct password. I've added correct password, and the order has been placed. As you can see in your order details, the order has been placed, and the status of the order is order placed, and it's not confirmed by the admin. And, and here we can also see the order items, and this is our admin page. Here in admin page, you can see order details on order is income, and from this we can see what items is been ordered, and the status of the order can also be changed. Here I am updating the status. After updating status, I am adding the delivery boy name. Suppose estimate time is 40 minutes. Updated. And from this you can see the reflexive will be showed here. The order has been confirmed, and the uh, delivery boy has been assigned. And like I can also like now add status uh, update. So here after refreshing the list, you can see that order is being prepared. I can add multiple orders from going to home, like I can go to Pizza Mania, and I'm adding more orders. See cart, and I'm going to check out. This, you can see my other order is also being placed. This is placed new order. And here you can see that the order is in place and not confirmed by user, and the same changes are being reflected in the admin module. And also we can print the receipt of the orders. It just print the HTML preview of that here. And if user has any query, it can just go to help and can comment the query here. And here is the code for the same. The first module is the pizza module, where all the pizza items are being viewed, and from this view pizza item module, uh, This is the add to cart button, where add to cart button will add to cart button will redirect the form to the PHP manage cart. This is the manage cart module. Here the method is request request post, and that the cart is being set. The item ID is being extracted, and the cart and the pizza ID is the cart of the added item is being displayed from the query. Here, all the added items in the cart are being displayed from these SQL queries. Files, if that is not already added, and the new added current added items are added currently, as you can see here. And after that, this is a view order status module, manage cart module. Here it is a view cart module. In the view cart module, all the items which are being placed are being displayed. Here the selection query is the user ID, and from the view cart table, all the data is being fetched and is being printed here. And if there is no data available, if there is no item are being in the cart, then the user can redirect to the again ordering item main page of the continue ordering. From here the user can go to the home page and to can order the place orders. This is the view cart module. Here in view cart, this is the CSS part of the module. Here all the orders are being displayed in the tabular format. The data is being fetched according to user ID. The session handling has been done, and all the data have been fetched of the current user, order ID, address, zip code, phone number, amount, order place, and it is fetched from the orders schema, and it's been printed. If there is a no order has been placed, so this message will be displayed, and the user can be redirected to the home page and place orders. After that, these are the order item models. Here the pizza items are being all the items are being displayed, and it, all the items are being fetched and displayed. All the order items are being displayed for in the admin account. And this is the order status model. Here in the order status model, the status update method has been implemented, where this is for the delivery boy schema, and others are the for 0 is for order placed, 1 is for order confirmed, 2 is for preparing your orders, 4 is 3 is for your order is being on the way, and all these are being done from orders schema, and it has been displayed if the status is equals to 3, and all these details have been printed. And this is the manage order module, where the admin can manage orders and select uh, all the orders and update the status of this module. From here, it can update the order delivery boy name, insert delivery details, and update all these delivery details and update statuses from here. And this is these are the schemas. First, we can see this is a view card schema where, as you can see, there are no items in the cart, so there are no uh, no items in the view card schema. As I will place, I will I will order something. I will add to cart. As you can see, there are two items in the cart, and if I will refresh it here, two items will be added. Where cart item ID is the primary key, and pizza ID is the pizza ID and user ID are the foreign keys. And from there, we can see there's orders. Orders are 4 and 5 are placed. You can see from here your orders. Order number 4 and 5 are being displayed, and order ID is a unique key. User ID is a foreign key, and these are the payment mode, which is cash on delivery and online. Order status gives the option from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the order here as 2, because we can see that in the first status the order is been preparing, so the second status is 2. This is order items, which items are being ordered. So as you can see, the in the fourth order name ID number 4, there are pizza ID number 2 and 3 are being placed, and pizza ID is a foreign key, order ID is also foreign key, and the ID is the primary key here, and this is the item quantity. And here is the delivery details, where we can see that the is order number 4 is being delivered by head. These details are being stored here, where ID is primary order ID and is a foreign key. That's all. And the admin module will be explained by Ritik. Thank you.
This is our admin login page. Here we have to enter our credentials for the login. I am entering admin, tap admin. After login, it will just fetch from the database that okay, password tag correct. It will take us to the admin dashboard. Here I have provided the navigation links. Firstly, to the home page. Second, the orders. Thirdly, the category list. Fourth, the manual list. Fifth, users. And sixth, the conflict info. Last, we have the option to do the logout in the orders option. Here, we will display all the orders that has been placed currently. In this, we have provided two options. First, to refresh the list. It is always necessary to refresh in like every few seconds. Secondly, we have a print option where on clicking on the print, you will get the data to get print it. Moving onward, in every order, the has status has to be set that like what status our order is. Order is placed, order confirmed, preparing our order is on the way, or whatever. Currently, the status has been set as 4, that order has been delivered, and also the delivery values has been set. Okay, that the delivery boy name was Ramesh Shah. Its phone number is this, and estimate time was this. If we update it, it will be updated successfully using the details like this. Next, we have this item list, which will just fetch all the items that has user ordered, and it will just show in this form. Next we have category list. Here, we have provided different pizza categories such as veg pizza, pizza mania, side orders, beverages, choice of burst pizza, choice of top. So in this, like if user admin has to add one new category, then we can add it from here. Like I am adding new category that is puff pizza, a combo of puff plus pizza, and just choosing few images from it. That okay, one of the images is this, and creating it. It will just show me the success that your category has been added. It will be added to this. Okay, puff pizza or combo of plus 50 plus pizza has been added. This is our category. In this, we also have that edit option that okay, if I have to edit it, okay, it is so delicious, updated. It will be updated successfully like this. And also we do have the option for deleting any of the, what do we say, toppings, like okay, I'm deleting this, so remove category successfully. So the category will be removed from the database. Moving forward, we have provided the menu item. Here in a specific category, if we have to add any menu item, that okay, my category, my name is cheese pizza, description is cheesy, the price is that is 100. The category I'm choosing, that is the new category I've added of pizza, and choosing any one of the pick from it. Okay, I'm choosing this part, the pick. Open. So currently that new category has not been shown here, like no new category has been added. The FAI created, it will just show, okay, correctly the item has been added to the category. We can view it from here that okay, cheesy pizza has been added with the description this. We can add it this pizza description that okay, so cheese is, 7 is best one. 7 is best. And the price has been increased from 100 to 150 updated. It will just show that has been updated, and this is like we can see here also that cheesy pizza has been updated. You can also delete any of item from the like menu item that okay, I don't want this menu, then it will be deleted. The next thing we have here is the user. It will just display you all the users that okay, either it can be an admin or user, or you can also create a new user from here. Suppose I have created new user with the name Siddhi chain, Siddhi underscore chain. His full name is Siddhi and Siddhi, last name chain, Siddhi123 at the rate Gmail. The user type I am creating as admin, password ABCD, and the recurrent password ABCD. If I submit it, it will just show me that okay, successfully added. Here, this is the shown that okay, now new user has been added to the G, which is email ID, and his type is admin. Also, we can delete any user from here. Here, the first admin cannot be deleted, as it's the you need one access that should not be deleted. Other than that, the rest of the admins you have created, you can delete it. Like I can delete this again from here. Also, if you like look for the validation, that I have provided the name Siddhi with these detail and ABCD, and this. On submitting, it will show me that okay, passwords do not match, and it will just show me that okay, the new user has not been added as passwords are not matching. Lastly, we have this contact message option, which will whatever contact whatever the like query messages users have sent, it will be shown on this page. Thank you. And logging out, it will be just log you out. Like look at the if we look at the database connection in this, if we look for the categories, the new category Papiza has been added at this time. Also, if we look for the menu item that has been created, order items, no, not order items, it's pizzas. Uh, New 7 cheesy has been created. Like coming to the code, firstly the navigation page. Here I have like created the header and added the profile pic here. These are the nav links I have added for home, orders, category list, menu, user, and contact info, and the logout option, logout PHP link to the for logout. Next, moving to the login PHP. It is a basic HTML form, username with username and a password, and that will be handled at the login.php. Here in login.php, the request has been set to the post. The data has been collected. the data has been called from the database. It will check if password is correct or not. If it is correct, it will start the session. It will just enter the admin logged in through and its username and its user ID. If the credentials are correct, it will be success equals to true and the get variable has been set. If it is false, the success variable will be set as false and the validations are placed above. Hmm. Moving next, order manager.php. Here in this is the basic HTML page with firstly the refresh list. It has link, nothing as a link, so it will refresh its page. The for the print we have used the inbuilt function that is windows.print. It will just print whatever on the page. Coming to forward, the table has been created for order ID, user ID, address, phone number. The data has been fetched that okay, so let's start from the orders. Data has been fed and the counter is maintained that okay, how many rows are there. Accordingly, the data will be added to the table. If counter is zero, it will just display that okay, you have not received any order. It also includes the item model and item status. Firstly, let's look at how order is managed. For managing orders, if it is the post request, it will just fetch the order ID status. It will update. Like if you create update, it will update the order status that okay, this is the status, and where order is ID is this. And also for updating the delivery details, it will just set the delivery details with whatever it has taken from the form. It will insert it in. If the track has been null, that okay, it's the first time where you have not set the delivery details of the like delivery person, it will be track ID will be null. So at that time you will be that inserting the delivery details into the table. But the other times when you are updating its value, it will be updating in the database using the ID as a track ID. Looking at the track status, order status, this is the basic HTML form for the delivery and it has been managed by the order manager PHP as we have seen earlier. And this is the basic page where the delivery details has been fetched. It has been already set in the database. Looking at the item ID, which is the basic HTML table, which just shows fetch the data that what are the item orders from the order with respect to the order ID, and it will just show the details in the HTML table form. Moving forward, we have category.manage.php. This is a basic HTML HTML page form where we have like creating a category name description has been added. On submitting, it will just call the category manage.php. In category manage.php, firstly with the like if a category has been set as create category, button category has been set as create category, it will just fetch the data. It will insert it into this. Like for the images, we have checked okay the like what are the image and where is an image placed. So from this check equals to get image size will check it and if image is not equal to false, like image has been like stored, we will just do one thing that image that has been placed, we will copy that image to the at our local place also. So we are just doing that thing that copying that our image to the local place to show on our page also from the database only. Similarly, for remove category, we will just delete from the categories where category ID equals to this. For update category set this and category description and its ID has been set according to the category ID. Similarly, if we are updating category photo, that the new photo will be copied to the destination at our local place. Next, menu.php. It is similarly as the category. We have just created a form with name, description, price, category, and all the details. It will be forwarded to the menu manage.php. So moving forward to menu manage.php. This is menu manage.php which will handle the menu items. Like if it is a create item, it will insert that thing into the database with the category ID. If it is removed, it will just delete from the page where pizza ID has been set. The pizza we will delete it according to the pizza ID. Updating item using pizza ID. And lastly, updating item photo. Lastly, we have logout.php. And logout.php we will session start. We will just show you that okay, we are logging out, and also we will unset our all the session variables, and we will locate it to the login page again. Thank you.